Hey y'all, welcome back. As you know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so whether you're nestled up watching Netflix, out on the town with your girls, or booed up with your bae, it's the perfect occasion to slay. Yes, I'm gonna tell you to go all out because you're worth it. And the unit I'm featuring is from my latest Pluck and Sip live. This is Zayla. She is absolutely fabulous. I showed you guys how to pluck her to perfection, whether you're a beginner or you're more advanced. I'm telling you guys, the techniques shown in that video are amazing. So make sure you check the card section or the description box to get right to that video. But the purpose of this video is honestly to speak love and positivity into the viewers who may need it. Yes, I'm giving you the hair install and a little bit of makeup, but honestly, it's to chat with you guys. And I really love how over the years I've leaned into the act of just loving myself and pouring into myself whenever I need it, whether that means taking a break or whether that means going for a more extensive self-care routine. I really love myself, and I know that it shows. And the people around me, if you want to have access to me, you have to demonstrate that same level of care, of regard for yourself and for my well-being. And I think these years for me are just becoming so much better because self-love is truly amazing. And when you reflect that, when you exude that, it just changes the energy of your space. It can change how you interact with people and draw and attract those to you who have similar values. You know, I've always loved myself, but deepening that love, strengthening that love, and redefining what matters most to me. And I think now we're very much into telling women how they have to look a certain way, they have to attain certain things. Yes, you can have anything that your heart desires, 110%, you are worthy. But let's make sure you're okay. How's your heart? Like, low key, like let's talk more about that. How is your heart? How are you feeling? What does love mean to you? Where does it start for you? Where does it begin? How has this journey of self-love been for you? Self-care. I've been talking so much about just taking time for yourself and resting, because the girls, they don't do that. Not enough. And in the midst of, you know, telling women to rest, we're also in a time where we like to consume so much information. Sometimes it's a lot easier to consume rather than put into practice, or to develop your own opinion. And I'm so, oh, girl, I love when the girls have a well-informed opinion. They've done their research. They understand the importance of words meaning things. They understand that it's more about putting things into practice rather than showing, you know, that you have it all together. Put it in practice. Make it your reality. You don't have to convince me, okay? I want the best for you. You don't have to convince me that you have the best. Whatever the best is for you, that matters. That's important. What I prioritize for me in my life could be different for you. And I want to affirm you that whatever you deem important and appropriate, girl, go for it. I prioritize rest. Maybe rest right now in your life is not the number one priority. But when you think about stress and how that wears in the body, I want you to be careful. I want you to make sure that you're honoring yourself, and whenever you fall out of alignment, that you can develop a routine that allows you to center yourself, because you deserve. One thing about it, if I'm gonna step outside, okay, and really step outside, like if, you know, be seen, you gonna see me, and that's it. I love pouring into myself, but ultimately, like these days, it's starting to take me like 3 or 4 hours to get ready. I don't know what's going on. But I love, girl, I love every bit of just getting me together. Like I really, rosemary essential oil drops in the shower, skin fix body scrub, okay? Earl Grey and mulberry body wash, body scrubbers, okay? Essential oil balm, just to lather onto my skin so I'm supple, I'm hydrated. Oh, girl, giving very much moisturized, and just taking time and being more intentional about basking in all of this goodness. Because, honey, this whole package, it gives 100%. Just admiring my quirks, admiring what makes me me. I'm not trying to be anybody else. Like, I love it here. Understanding that I don't always have to insert myself into a narrative. I understand what's for me, what's not for me. Everything is not for me. And I love when I can be quiet. I know I'm chatty in this video, but I've learned silence is really golden. And not everybody knows how to be quiet and just really process. And sometimes you're missing the message because you're too busy talking or trying to dominate the conversation. You don't have to be the most prominent voice in the room, but I don't have to be a woman of many words, right? But I love this look. It's super simple. You know, try some new things. Pretty much did the standard look. The winged liner is my staple. It's my signature style. And like, people try to get me to do other things, but this is my whole face. Like, my whole face, my whole body. I love how I get it together. And I'm open to, you know, some critique when it is delivered respectfully. Because one thing that I do demand and require of anyone is to respect me. But I don't know, I feel glamorous. I love looking glamorous, and I love, you know, just enjoying myself, having a great dinner. Girl, I've been eating, you know what I'm saying? I've been getting fed, and I love every bit of it. But I love this look. I did a cute lip with a nice pink shirt, but the whole thing together. I just wanted to show the girls affordability. Like, I slay at any price point. You can give me beauty supply store makeup, a $20 wig. I'm gonna slay the hell out of it. Like, I just have an eye. I have an eye. Like, I have a look. I just love my eye for all things glamorous. And even if it's not for you, stay true to you. I'm a glam girl. This is where glam happens. I'm gonna give you a look, and I'm gonna be extra every single time because I don't want to be anything else. That's who I am, and that's me staying true. I do the most, and everybody around me knows this, and I don't have to shrink myself. I take up all the space. I create a brave space because I can't always ensure it's safe, but I'm trying, you know what I'm saying? And I just love how I pour into my community this way, and I hope that it helps you. I hope this encourages you. Go get pretty, go get glamorous, whatever that looks like for you. I want you to do it. If being glamorous means staying in your pajamas and resting, girl, I love that for you. Discerning what love and glam looks like, just lean all the way into it, and tell me in the comments, what does that look like for you? And I thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Take care and slay. Okay, love you.